I'm going to introduce you to clickers and clicker training. We have a standard box clicker. We have an iClick clicker. And we also have the Star Mark training clicker. Now, I have 3 to show because each one makes a different sound. Your box clicker is a very loud sound. Your iClick, a little bit softer. And your Star Mark, even softer. So depending on your dog's reaction, you'll want to try a different clicker. Some dogs actually might be afraid of the box clicker because it's really loud. Some will work perfectly fine with the iClick. And then yet some who are really afraid will really like the Star Mark. Okay, so for today we're starting out with Chicky, and I'm going to introduce her for the first time to a clicker. I am going to use a Star Mark since it's a little softer for her, and I have a bunch of yummy treats. Okay, so first off we're going to start with charging the clicker, so that way we're going to get Chicky used to the fact that when she hears a click, she's also going to receive a reward for that. And we'll want to do this about 10 to 15 times so your dog understands the concept that a click is equal to a treat. Now remember, when you're doing this, you don't want to place the clicker right next to the dog's ear. And you don't need to hide it or anything like that, but just to make sure it's not clicked at their ear. So when we use a clicker to train a dog, we're actually using it to reinforce their action. So thereby, if they do an action and we cannot respond as quickly, we click and then give the treat. This is really beneficial for a lot of dogs. For little dogs especially, when you're teaching a sit, and sometimes they get up faster than we can treat, or we treat when they're in the process of getting back up. Thereby, we're not actually rewarding the actual behavior. They begin to realize that a click is equal to, yes, that's what I want you to do. So right now I'm going to incorporate a lure to show her how to sit. And as soon as she sat, I clicked and then treated. I'll lure her out again to a stand and give her a treat. I like to teach by hand signals. So right now, a little delay, I'm not actually telling her the word because she doesn't know it yet. I'm teaching her the action that I want.